Okay, so first we are getting the phone itself, so let's keep it over here. So some Iqoo paperwork and a SIM ejector tool, then a transparent case, okay, and then important information and warranty card, then a quick start guide, and the 120-watt adapter over here. You can see flash charge 120-watt, and then USB type, let's see, USB type C to type C data cables. So as this is the phone, and here we are getting a peel off. Okay, and so this is the Iqoo 12, and okay, it's a bit of glossy type, and you can see the big camera module over here, and the side frame. Okay, it's a bit of a boxy kind of design. Okay, so this is how it looks, and let's put that case. Okay, so this is it, how it looks with the case. So let's boot up for the first time. Okay, Iqoo 5G. So guys, this is the phone. First of all, let's start off from the fingerprint scanner. So I'm doing a rapid touch in 3 2 1 and go. Okay, perfect. Once again in 3 2 1 and go. Okay, once again 3 2 1 and go. And now it's time for the face recognition. So in 3 2 1 and go. Rapid fast. Once again 3 2 1 and go. Okay, once again 3 2 1 and go. Okay, it's definitely fast. Now let me show you some display settings really quick. Settings, and just move to the display brightness, and over here you can see the screen colors. By default it would be on standard, but bright you would get the maximum color vibrancy, so I would switch it on bright. And then we have another option, enhanced display effects. You should turn this option, that means visual enhancement option is there, and along with that MEMC and super resolution option is also there. So let me turn this option on, and we have an app manager, and you need to select all of them, yeah, like YouTube, Netflix and all. Then we have screen resolution option, and the first one is the full HD, and this is the 1.5K. That means 2800 into 1260. So make sure your phone is in that. And then we have screen refresh rate option. If you switch to high, then it would be running on 144 Hz only in the supported games. But usually you would be only getting 120 Hz. So I would be recommending keep it on the smart switch itself if you are into 120 Hz only. Okay, and now this display is of peak brightness 3000 nits, and let me show you. You can see this is at the maximum peak brightness. Looks really cool. So the colors are really saturated and vibrant. Okay, now let's quickly check the speakers also. Let's see audio. Okay, good speaker. I'm not saying it's a great speaker as we've seen on premium smartphones and all, but still it's a great speaker. And now let's quickly look at the camera UI. We have getting a snapshot, then we have the night mode, and here are a few options like the long exposure mode, that means super moon, as well as astrophotography. Then we have the portraits with a lot of customization regarding the face tunes and all, and some premium filters and styles over there. And then we have the photo mode with a lot of stuff like vivid tones, texture tone or natural tone. And then we can have the 3x, 10x, as well as go all the way up to 100x. And then in video we have few options like the ultra stabilization, standard stabilization, and the horizontal line stabilization, which you can rotate your phone and take the videos, still that would be stable. And then you could also record up to 8K at 30 fps is also available. But sadly the thing is, in front camera you could only record, I repeat, you could only record 1080p at 30 fps. Okay, so that's a really bad thing which I do personally prefer. Maybe with some updates and all it can fix this, because this Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 obviously do have the ability to do 4K at 30 and 60. So I don't know why it's stuck over there. And then in more, we are getting pro mode, that means aperture is white balance can be manually adjusted. Then we have the few more options like the high resolution mode, panoramic, ultra HD, slow motion, time lapse, long exposure, tilt shift, or astrophotography, super mode, and the fisheye mode is there. So I'll be doing a detailed tips, tricks, and features and settings. I will leave the link in the description. And with God's grace, I will be also comparing this guy right against the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So guys, stay tuned and subscribe. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.